Morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home with the presence of our loving God. Be safe and stay at home and have a good day. Today we are going to learn science subject. What subject we are going to learn? Science. In science, last week we learned lesson 4. First page we learned in lesson 4, no? What's the name of the lesson? Do you remember? Yes, very good. The name of the lesson is Types of Plants. Types. Types. OFRPLANTS. Plants. Types of plants we learn. First, what type we learn? We learn about tree. Very good. We learn about tree. 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 Trees are tall. Trees are tall. Look at here. Trees are very tall only, no? Yes. Their trunks are strong. Where's the trunk? This is the trunk. And it is very strong. And we learn about the leaves also, no? Yes. It's just like a crown for the tree. We'll learn it now. Yes. Read it once again. Trees are tall. Their trunks are strong. Trees are tall and their trunks are strong. What's the spelling for tree? Tree. Tree. Now we are going to see some tree. What tree is this? Very good. Coconut tree. What's the spelling for coconut tree? COCONUT. 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 TREE. Tree. Coconut tree. What coconut tree give us? Yes, it gives us tender coconut. What is this? Tender coconut. You all love to drink this, no? Yes, this is a tender coconut. And the next tree we are going to see is Gulmohar. What is it? GULMOHAR. Gulmohar tree. 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 Gulmohar tree. This is a Gulmohar tree. See, what is this, children? Red color. Very good. Flowers. The flower of this tree is like this. Okay. And then next we are going to see about this tree. What tree is this? What's the name of the tree? AMALTAS. Amalthus. What is it? Amalthus. Look at here. Look at this tree. And how the flower of this tree is? It's yellow in color. It's yellow in color and leaves are there. In the previous tree, we saw very good red color flowers. In this tree, we can see yellow color flowers. And the next tree we are going to see is peepal tree. PEEPAL. Peepal. TREE. Tree. Peepal tree. See the leaf of the peepal tree. This is the leaf of the peepal tree. Now we understand. We learn about 4 trees. What are the 4 trees we learn? Coconut tree, Gulmohar tree, Amalthus, and then peepal tree. Why we call it as tree? Because it's very tall and their trunks are strong. Very good. Look at the next one. Next what we learn? We learn about small plants. SMALL. Small. PLANTS. Plants. Small plants. Small plants have soft stems. SOFT. Soft. Small plants have soft stems. Look at here. Look at this plant. How the stems are? The stems are very soft. You can easily pluck it. Small plants have soft stems. And I'll show you one example of the plant. What plant is this? Your mummy used this for cooking. What is it? Tomato. Very good. Look at the stem of this plant. How it is? It's very soft. It's very soft. Tomato. What's the spelling for tomato? T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. P-L-A-N-T. Plant. Tomato. Plant. Small plants have soft stems. Very good. And look at the next one. Next we learn about bushy. B-U-S-H-Y. Bushy. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. Bushy plants. This is a bushy plant. And some plants are bushy. Look at here. It's very bushy, no? Yes. Bushy means what? Many leaves are close together. And then they have hard woody stems. Look at the stems in the tomato plant. The stems are very soft. It's green in color and it's very soft. We can easily pluck it. But in this plant, you can see the stem of this plant. It's brown in color and it's very hard. We have to say it as a woody stem plant. Okay, bushy plant. And look at here one example for this bushy plant. What is this? Look at here. What flower is this? Very good. Hibiscus. H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S. Hibiscus plant. This is a hibiscus plant. In this plant, we can see a woody stem. And we can call this flower also as a shoe flower. Okay, children? Now you understand this? Next, we are going to see about climber. Next, we are going to see about climber. Look at here. Where does it grow? Yes, it need a support to grow, no? Here we have a small tree inside and it grow on the wall also. Climber. What's the spelling for climber? C-L-I-M-B-E-R. Climber. Some plants have weak stems. Some plants have weak stems. We learn it, no? Yes, weak stems. So small plants have weak stems. They cannot stand on their own. Climber plant also have a weak stem. They cannot stand on their own. What they need? So they climb up a plant or wall. So they climb up a plant, otherwise on the wall. They are called climbers. How we call this plant? Climbers. Very good. You all see money plant, no? Yes, many places we can see money plant. That's also a climber. Some plants have weak stems. This climber plant is also having a weak stem. They cannot stand on their own. They cannot stand on their own. So they climb up a plant or wall. They are called climbers. Now we learn about plants. What are the plants we learn? We learn about tree. Next we learn about small plants. Next we learn about bushy plant. And now we learn about the climber. And now we are going to do the exercise. Fill in the box in each picture. Is it a tree, bush or climber? Now we have to write what type of plant is it. Okay. Now look at the first picture. What type of plant is it? Yes, very good. It's having a woody stem. And woody stem. So what plant is this? And it looks like a bushy also. It's a bush. Very good. It's a bush. B-U-S-H, bush. This is a bushy plant. Bushy plant you can write. And look at the next one. What is this? It's very tall and the trunks are hard. Very good. What type of plant is it? Tree. Very good. What's the spelling for tree? T-R-E-E. Tree. tree gives them? Persons are sitting there, no? Yes, tree gives us shade. This big tree gives us shade. Okay, children? Look at the next one. What plant is this? Their stems are soft and it grows on the rock. Very good. It needs a support to grow. What type of plant is it? Very good. Climber. It's a climber. C-L-I-M-B-E-R. Climber. Good. And shall we pass on to the next one? Now we are going to do fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Tall plants or dash. Trees or bushes. T-R-E-E-S. Trees or B-U-S-H-E-S. Bushes. How we call tall plants? Tall plants or trees. Very good. Tall plants or trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. And look at the next one. Number 2. Trees have dash trunks. Trees have dash trunks. W-E-A-K, weak, or S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Yes, trees have strong trunk. Good. Strong. What's the spelling for strong? Look at here and tell me the spelling. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. And look at the third one. Climbers have dash stems. Climbers have dash stems. W-E-A-K, weak, or S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Climbers have weak stem. Very good. Look at the spelling for weak. W-E-A-K, weak stem. And look at the fourth question. Bushes have dash woody branches. Bushes have dash woody branches. M-A-N-Y, many, or O-N-E, one. Only one woody branch is there in the bushy plant? No, many is there. So what you have to write? You have to write the spelling for many. M-A-N-Y, many. And look at the fifth one. Small plants have dash stems. S-O-F-T, soft, or H-A-R-D, hard. Small plants have, yes, we can easily pluck it. So how the stem is? It's very soft. What's the spelling for soft? S-O-F-T, soft. And look at the next one. Number 6. Most leaves are dash. Most of the leaves in the trees are dash in color. Very good. It is green in color. G-R-E-E-N, green. Here they have given the option G-R-E-E-N, green, or B-R-O-W-N, brown. The answer is green. Most leaves are green. Number 1, tall plants are trees. Number 2, trees have strong trunks. Number 3, climbers have weak stems. Number 4, bushes have many woody branches. Number 5, small plants have soft stems. Number 6, most leaves are green. Now we are going to do the next exercise. Find the plants. The names of 7 plants are hidden in this puzzle. Find them. Color the trees brown and the rest green. One has been done for you. What we have to do? We have to find out 7 plants from this box. We have to find it out. We have to circle it and we have to color the circle. If it is a tree, you have to color it with brown. If it's another type of plant, you have to color it with green. One has been done for you. Here they have done N-E-E-M, neem. Neem is a tree. So they color it with the brown. Now we are going to circle the plant first and then look at the first line. Can you find one plant there? Yes, very good. Sunflower is there. sunflower, sunflower is there. And in the next line, can you find anything? Nothing. Third line, no. And the fourth line, Gulmohar, Gulmohar tree. We learn about Gulmohar tree, no? Yes. The flower of this tree is red in color. We learn it, no? And look at the next one. Next line, any plant is here? No. And in the last line, we can find out one tree, COCONUT, coconut tree. Okay, coconut is a tree. And in the, look at here, vertically, you have to look at this. Any plant is here? No. And in the next one, we can find out Tulsi, TULSI, Tulsi. Tulsi is a medicinal plant. Okay. And the next one, we can find out is a mango tree, MANGO, mango tree. How many we find out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one more is there in the last line, ROSE, rose plant. Okay. Sunflower is a plant, so you have to color it green. And rose is a plant, you have to color it green. And then Tulsi is a plant, you have to color it green. Apart from that, mango, Gulmohar and coconut, you have to color it with brown. You have to do like this. Okay, children? Now you understand this? Now, today's homework, what you have to do? You have to read this lesson 4, types of plant, and you have to complete the book exercise. We did book exercise, no? Those exercises you should complete in your book. You all understand the lesson clearly, no children? Yes, we will meet in the next session. Thank you.